BLX Shure Legendary Performance 2 mics wireless device. Let's go ahead and put this away and see what you get. Manual. Everything you need is in here, including batteries, 2 microphones, mic stands for the microphone stands, main board. All right, it's not a case, it's actually power connection and the mic sessions connection, so you guys can see. Put that in here. It's very simple. They also give you the mic stands, two of them for the mic stands, right? Okay. These are adapters. We have the actual stand. Batteries, put the battery in there. All right. Oh yeah, twist it. There we go. Yeah, it is twisted. Take that one, put the batteries in both sides. Double A battery. It came with the batteries. These microphones, you could have many channels or single channels. So right now we currently have, we haven't turned it on, but as soon as you turn it on, 1, 2, 3, hold on the button for a couple seconds, it turns on. Right now it's trying to look for a channel, A1, that's what it's telling you, but we'll find a channel. We're gonna turn it off for now. And let's go ahead and continue with the module setup, the whole module. So go ahead and open it up. That one, we're gonna plug one of these in here, and then we're gonna plug them, the 3 prongs into there. The secondary microphone has to plug in because they both have their own channels. They won't have their own. And now, because we're so close to the airport, these work really good in the frequencies right here.
Nice. So you can go.
Yeah, because we're near our airport. Suggestion: when you buy something like this, put in a special package right here so we don't damage the stuff. Have to be plugged in to line mic. It's gonna be 10 and 12 and 11. We could plug it in. So plug them in however you want. As long as you, that's why you got different colors so we could find out which mic is what. Maybe you wanna, when you put some colors like this, maybe the mic could have the same color so you could know, you know?
A little tape color.
Yeah. So this thing can come out, make sure it doesn't come out. Good. Now let's bring the box over here. We're gonna plug it in. Plug in the box. Plug the surf, plug it in. So this is all we have. We have even instrumentals out if you want to, extra plugs, but today we're just gonna plug that in. See how it says A1 in the front of it, A2. A1 is what we had in one of the microphones. We have to look for A2 on the other one. So bring a microphone or untwist it. Yeah. So power it on. Let it go. And what is it on? A1. No, the mic's not on yet. Hold on. Oh yeah. The mic's not on because of this thing. So A1 is this one right here, purple. Or say something.
Testing. Test. 1, 2, 3.
So we have A1 on it, right? So turn, hold the button, lock it in. Now we're gonna program the other one, right? There you go. So we have to change it. Change the channel on this one. Go ahead, keep going. There, A2. So let it go. Unplug. Go ahead. Say something on the test.
Test.
No, you have to turn it. I think A2. Oh yeah. We have to turn it up. Now say something.
Test. 1, 2, 3.
Yep. These are the wireless mics. Holding it down, turn it on. So we have A1 and A2 program. Test 1, 2, 3. We have test. We go walk around the whole. Let me see how far I can go. Just don't walk near the microphone. So I'm probably like, how many feet away is that?
15 feet.
15 feet from here. Let me see a walk. Test. Yeah, it's going good. It's about 15 feet. Just, it could go further than that actually, but that's not bad.